Alright, hey guys, it's Chris. I wanted to put together a quick video for you today. This is about cloud sites or cloud pages, cloud stacking in general, for SEO purposes. And I get this question actually not a lot, but I've gotten it enough. And I also see it posted in either Facebook groups, Skype groups, whatever, just communities that I'm involved in with SEO. And different people have different opinions on them, and a lot of times they say that they don't work at all, or they only work in certain easy niches. But anyway, I wanted to kind of show you guys something just to show the power of these things if they're done correctly, if you know what you're doing, right? And this particular keyword that I'm going to show you is not something that I consider, extremely difficult, but it's not also super easy either. So let me show you what this is. I'm just going to search top gold IRA companies, and so obviously, when you've got AdWords, people are paying for these keywords. They're competitive, or at least, right? So we've got CBS News up on top, Forbes, Investopedia, Money.com. So when I see stuff like this, I know that people who are in this niche would know that in order to compete, you have to have pretty good links, right? You've got to have a good site with a great link profile behind it. Fortune, CNBC, these are all like news sites and trusted sites. But right down here, I believe this is, so we've got the sponsored ads, they don't count there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the ninth listing on the page is this cloud site. And when you click through to it, you'll see that it redirects to this particular page. Sorry about that. So anyways, and I'm not going to, reveal what this person's doing or whatnot. I just want to show you that and I'll dispel another myth that I used to own this tool called Sneaky Redirects, and that's what they're using, if not very similar to it. The coding looks the same as the tool that I had created. But anyway, so Sneaky Redirects are also still working. But if you had any doubt that cloud pages can be used for, if they're working for gold IRA terms, they're definitely killing it for local and other things. Anyway, so just want to put that video out there, you guys. I personally use YACSS. I've got several tools, but I personally use YACSS for cloud stacking. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link below the video. But yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great day.